YouTube fam, Afro Stan coming at you with an update on the blackbird situation in Arkansas. So I was on the CNN website once again, people, checking out the news. And they have came to the conclusion that the blackbirds were killed from blunt force trauma. This is the reason they came up with. This is the reason they want you to believe. But I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I still think that it's a conspiracy. conspiracy. I really do think that something weird happened there. The Fish and Gaming Commission in Arkansas came up with that excuse to puzzle your minds. But Afro Stan thinks different. It is a conspiracy. Afro Stan is out. Please subscribe, comment, rate, and hate. See you on the next video.